Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So it is the basic method, charge your phone. Everyone is know that. And how to charge it. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra support two type of charging. First one is wired, second one is wireless. So in this video, we are learning how to charge wiredly. And I'm using Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra charger bricks. It is cost around 3000 rupees. Okay, so this is a 45 watt fast charging, and you can see here super fast charging. You can see I don't know, you can see it. Okay, you can see that super fast charging, and just put this one to your plug and turn on the switch, and then connect with your phone. So it will show the charging, and if you can just lock your device and taps once again, then it will be show super fast charging 2.0 is connected, battery percentage is 64%, and 8 minutes until full charge. That means I am prevented fully charged. That means 100% charging. So I limited the charging to 80%, so it will be charged 80% within 8 minutes, not the 100%. It will be limited to 80%. So that's guys, in this way you can simply charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.